Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, Sharon Sews. Today I'm going to share with you everything that I made in November and December. I sewed about a dozen items for myself, as well as maybe half a dozen items as gifts. I will model everything that I sewed for myself and give you some thoughts on the patterns that I used.
Vogue 9243. This is my statement sleeve top. I absolutely love it. I did do a full bust adjustment. I lowered the neckline and I used a novelty knit for the statement sleeves. Instead of a woven, as the pattern calls for, I did choose to use a ponte knit. I probably could have eliminated that back zipper, but I wasn't 100% sure. I'm telling you, those sleeves, that is my favorite part of this top. I sewed a pair of pants from the BurdaStyle magazine 12-2017 issue, pants number 127. I used a cotton sateen from Emma One Sock that looks like sequins, fabulous fabric. The pants are straight leg pants. There is a little bit of elastic in the back side. It closes with an invisible zip, and there are decorative zips at the ankle. Now you might recognize this because in a previous makes video, I shared with you the pair of pants that I made in red with decorative zips and trim. I sewed a top using Simplicity 8982. You can see that I did hack it a bit. I went up one size because the fabric I used was a foil print scuba knit, which did not have a whole lot of stretch. I hacked the sleeves and I added a dart to full bust adjustment. I sewed the View D pants from McCall 7961. These have side seam pockets, probably not the most flattering pants on me, but I sure do like them. There are seams in the front and the back, which helps with your fitting, and I really like that little fun ruffle at the bottom. It kind of looks like a skirt. Now, I did goof up. The zipper is supposed to be in the front, and I put it in the back, but it's fine, don't you think? Vogue 9111 is a crossover tunic, super easy sew, very oversized. Think about that if you decide to sew this. And that front is so low. I ended up tacking it together in the front because I don't need to be exposing myself when I'm out and about running errands. Now the knit I chose is a very soft knit and it doesn't have a whole lot of recovery. I think you need something with a little more recovery to it to make this top look really well. Tunic from Vogue 9305. I did View B. This is designed for wovens and I chose a knit this time. You might actually recognize this fabric because it was in a previous fabric haul video. This is from Fabric Mart Fabrics. I did do an FBA on this tunic and as you can see in the knit, it is just a little bit too large and I goofed on the neckline. It's all wavy. I'm gonna have to redo it. I love the shape of this tunic. I love the flowiness of it and I especially love that I'm getting some color in my wardrobe. I did sew one last summer also in woven. This is Simplicity 8217. I did do a complete video review of that and I'll link that in case you're interested in learning more. This is an animal print, it's denim. It's just a really easy wrap coat that I absolutely love. I've used orange for the lining for a nice little pop of color. I've gotten quite a few compliments on it. Definitely one of my favorites. Vogue 1411. This is Sandra Betzina design. They're pull-on pants with some really fun details. I sewed them out of faux leather from Hobby Lobby. You may have noticed in some of the videos that I was wearing faux leather pants with my tunic, and these are the ones. Now, I had forgotten that I wanted to go up a size next time I sewed them, so these are a little bit too tight, and they do have great details. I sewed two little matching nightgowns from Butterick 6125 for two little ones in her. Using vintage Simplicity 6368, I made two camp shirts for my dad. I've been sewing these for him since I was a teenager back in the 70s. I also made two little matching shirts for those two little ones. Based on a 1950s apron pattern that I have since lost, I sewed this apron from memory. I love those great big pockets and I emphasized them with pom-pom trim. It's just so kitschy and fun. Another gift I sewed was the Itch to Stitch Capelet. Say that 3 times fast. It's kind of hard to do. So this is just a great gift because there's hardly any fitting needed and it is just such a versatile piece. You maybe remember a previous video where I showed the gray one and the pink one that I sewed for myself.
Phew. When I set out to make this video, I did not think I had a lot of November and December makes to share with you. It felt like a really unproductive couple of months, but apparently I got quite a bit done. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. Happy sewing and I will see you real soon. I don't remember remember what I was gonna say. Ha!